And you can see that what they're looking for is the sum, addition, of 3x minus 2y plus 5 and x plus 2y minus 2. Since it's addition, you don't necessarily have to rewrite it vertically. You can leave it just like this and simply think of it as collecting like terms. Let's collect all of our x's first. Looks like I have 3 and a positive 1. 3 and positive 1 leaves me how many x's? Y's. Negative 2y and positive 2y. 0, they cancel out. Good. 5 and negative 2, positive 3. So your end result, after you do that, looks like that. That's number 35. Number 36 looks the same. It's got 2p minus q plus 1 added to negative p negative q plus 3. So since it's the same scenario, you're combining, you're adding, you can leave it like it is and simply look at it as combining like terms. Positive 2p and a negative p leaves me with what? Good. And you don't have to do it this way. If you prefer to stack it, I don't care. A negative q combined with a negative q is what? What kind of 2q? Negative. Very important that you have those signs right. That is the worst problem I see on these, is in the process somehow things get the wrong sign. Positive 1, positive 3? All right, so those are 2 addition samples. For subtraction, if they write it, again, if they write it this way, you have a choice how you want to do it. So 5r minus 2y minus 2r minus 3y. Okay. You can do it 2 ways. You can leave it like that and flip the sign of the second piece, that's the subtrahend, what's being removed. Or you can write it vertically and do the same thing. So if you simply distribute the negative and combine like terms, it'll look like this. 5r minus 2y, negative 2r, positive 3y. And then if you do it this way, you can take all the terms that are like and just combine them. I made that affect that and distributed it here as well. At this stage of the game, too, the parentheses can disappear pretty much. So now I've got a positive 5r and a negative 2r. What's the result? And a negative 2y and a positive 3y? Okay, that's one option. The other way, you can write it vertically. 5r minus 2y minus 2r minus 3y. And remember, when you subtract, you add the opposite of the sign. So this is a positive 2r. We're going to add a negative 2r. This is a negative 3y. We're going to add a positive 3y. And I'm pretty sure we're going to end up with the exact same answer, aren't we? 5 and negative 2 is 3r. Negative 2 and positive 3y looks like that. So either way, if you choose to do it, keeping it vertically or keeping it horizontal or making it vertical, it doesn't matter. Here's our last one. I want to do one more with you. Which way do you guys like it? Do you guys like doing it just right to left or up, down? Up, down? Okay, here's the next one then. 3x plus 3y minus 5 minus 2x minus 2y plus 5. So if I write that up, down, it's 3x plus 3y minus 5 minus 2x minus 2y plus 5. I know it's easy. I'm sorry. Stay with me though, please. Add the opposite. So add a negative 2x, add a positive 2y, add a negative. Be very careful that you pay attention when you flip it so that when you actually do work it, you have the right stuff. So 1x, 5y, negative 10. Okay? That's it in a nutshell for today, guys. There's really not much more to add to it.